not be you and you not me, but between us there are certain similarities. Like I believe in love and the devil will come looking for us when we wrong someone. Freedom is ours to hold. It's just a struggle in your mind to keep your soul. And it's so, yes it's so, it's just a struggle in your mind